Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you about how to disable this power button Google Assistant on problem. When you just press on this power button, it will open the Google Assistant, not the power menu. So let's start the video how you can fix it. So firstly friends, you have to open your settings. Now you have to scroll downwards and click on gestures. So here you will see power button. Now here it will show you the power assistant that is enabled. Press and hold for the digital assistant. You can enable this power menu, and now let's long press the power button and it has opened now the power menu. You can easily lock your screen, power off, or restart your device, or you can just choose double press to open the camera like this is how you can. So these are the shortcuts you can do from this power button, and this is how you can disable the digital assistant with this power menu. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.